Welcome. In front of me I have GIGASET GS190 and I'm going to show you how we can activate Google Assistant on the smartphone. So the first and the most important thing that we have to get the latest version of update for the Google app. For this one, you have to go for the Play Store and just simply update this app. When you make it, you have to open it, then go for more, move to the settings, find Google Assistant, and next we have to find the general settings that will be right here. Right now tap on the switcher into the Google Assistant, then click the turn on, and as you can see right now it is activated. So if you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.